day, glorious day, that will be. What a day that will be, when my Jesus I shall see, and I look upon His face, the one who saved me by the grace, when He takes me by the hand and leads me to the promised land. What a day, glorious day that will be. There is sorrow there, no more burdens to bear, no more sickness, no pain, no more